Thank you so much for tuning in once again. Thank you for choosing to spend time with me. I hope all of you are subscribed. Please leave a like and a comment. Thank you.
You must be made for me. Patience is nothing. In and out, arguing.
So my lovelies, I have finally posted a wash day routine. This is my simple wash day routine. As you can see, I don't do a lot, but I don't want to talk too much during this video, so I will just love and leave you guys so that you guys can watch and see what I do. If there is anything that you guys want to know, a product name or just anything, then please let me know in the comments and I will respond to you guys. But yeah, I will just leave you guys to watch this video. And if you have been delaying wash day for as long as I have, then girl, this is your sign. This is your sign that you need to get up and go wash your hair. Anyways, bye guys.
Feeling my heart, feeling my soul, feeling my body, baby. I let you do no, but never fall out of love with you. I don't wanna fight, I don't wanna fuss, baby. I'm trusting you. I'm trusting you. Fighting on my mind, fighting on my life for you. I'm trusting you, babe. I want this to work out so bad that I feel it in my chest and I want it. I want that, yeah. Never fall out of love with you. Come back at 6, wake me and your child, and then won't lay today. Make me wonder who you might have been playing with. Makes me wonder who you think you're playing with. I'm just on myself to keep playing this record back over and over again. Swear that you changed, but I noticed the end. I want you on the scene. Think you know your girl is so funny to me. That's why you think I left by one time. Got tired of your shit, you almost your mind. Don't say, don't name. You'll continue to try to play these games. Leave your family in the cold rain, and I don't think you'll ever change your ways. Cause our house is not a home where no one's there. So alone, no one's there. Should I move on since no one's here? You know what you got is good, that's why you refuse to let me walk out your life. You refuse to match up with my vibe. You keep wasting my time, you keep wasting my time. Don't you all see, so funny to be. That's why you think I left by one time. Got tired of your shit, you almost lost your mind. Long stay on the name. You'll continue to try to play these games. Leave your family in the cold rain, and I don't think you'll ever change your ways. Options, and I don't wanna tell you to drop me, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look get you too out there. Baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can ride